So we're at the airport and we're heading to where we're going, Nicolette? Yeah, Kyoto. Yeah, so we're going to Osaka's airport and we're gonna leave from there and go to Kyoto. So yeah, so we're on a 5-day trip. With rice and I got veggie. So we're at music. This music not copyright. So we're at Tony Road somewhere in Kyoto. I don't know. I've never heard of this restaurant before. So yeah. Say hi to the peeps, Nicolette.
Hi everyone.
So why are you behaving so shy? Yeah, it's the birthday girl.
Go, shorty. It's your birthday. We're going to
eat some lobster with ribs.
Oh, and it's coming right now. Oh yeah, it's
lobster.
it's big.
No, this is good.
This is American butter.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. I can smell the lobster. I don't eat lobster, guys, but I think I'm gonna start eating now.
You can try some with me.
It looks nice though.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, I'm my boring chicken. I eat chicken every day. Come girl, crack your lobster.
What dare you?
Crack it. Are you want, we call it sophisticated food. Bougie food.
I've never cricket either. The lobster fighting.
Okay. Happy birthday, Nicolette. You know what I could have spelled your name? I would say Nicoll and I was like, wait, this is not correct.
So you figured out?
I went on WhatsApp. How cute is this? It's a new day and we are eating breakfast at this place called, what is it called? Sukiya. I ordered something, I don't remember what I ordered, but it came with this fire underneath it, so with egg and rice. So this is breakfast. And Nicolette got curry beef, maybe, with egg. This is day number 1 and we are going to head to this kimono place and we're going to put on kimono today because we have a jam-packed day. We had breakfast earlier, so now we're going to get the day started. Whew. So many options. I know. Okay, so what do you recommend? No. Right. Right. No. Outside, don't cold.
It's not cold outside now. The weather is good now.
Okay. Alright. What do you think? Yes, no?
I love yellow and pink, so it's good. Yeah. What's your favorite color though?
Blue.
Then choose blue.
Blue is... Okay, can I see both of them?
I love pink, so if you're in pink and I'm in yellow.
Oh, let me see a mirror. Mirror. It's so close to me. Okay. Yeah.
Please come to our kimono rental shop, Nagomi. We are waiting you.
Waiting for you. Okay, and where in Kyoto are you? Where in Kyoto?
In Kyoto.
Where? Near to FUSHIMI INARI?
Yeah, FUSHIMI INARI Shrine.
Okay.
FUSHIMI INARI.
Okay. Alright, so come here to get your kimonos.
I'm waiting. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Very good service.
Thank you.
Alright.
ありがとうございます。
Okay, we're in our kimono. Look at the sun on my forehead though. She got her umbrella. Yeah, we're heading to FUSHIMI Inari. What Inari? FUSHIMI Inari Shrine, which is like a very popular place here with many gates. And they said that the gates are for persons who have donated. So if you donate a lot of money, you're gonna get a very big gate. So but when we reach that place, we're gonna show you guys what I'm talking about.
These are gator.
They remind me of penguin. What do you call it? Penguin foot? That's what it reminds me of. These socks. Hey guys, do you like my kimono? We got the entire experience. You can come. So usually when I rent our kimono, they usually don't give us like, for example, bag and the shoes. But this place they gave us everything. And we have it for the entire day until like 5:30, 6 o'clock. Alright, so come on, let's go. When you're wearing the kimono, you have to walk very softly. Because, not very slowly because it restricts your movement. We made it to the famous gates. Like when you search for Kyoto, this is one of the famous spots. So these are the gates that I was telling you guys about with the names of the people who donated. I just know that there are two ways. Please go to the right. Oh, please go right. We have been taking pictures. What's that? I have no idea. Alright, so we have been taking a lot of pictures. Oh, the sun. And we have not been vlogging. Well, I've not been vlogging. So I apologize, guys. So you won't see a lot of content. Ooh, the sun from me. But this is a very, very popular, very famous place, and it has a lot of people. And we're just trying to get, like, whenever we see less people, we're trying to take a picture so that we don't have much people in. in it. So that's pretty much what we've been doing. Right here it seemed like ooh. Anyways, bye so now. Right here it seemed like it's nighttime. These shoes are so uncomfortable. We have to do baby steps. Baby steps. Look at this hill. We've been walking for about 10 minutes now. So many people. So many. Okay, this place is called
KIYOMIZU-DERA.
a very famous shrine in Kyoto. A very packed. A lot of people and a lot of school kids. There are so many people here, and this is during Corona. So can you imagine when there was no Corona with foreigners and tourists? Like, I can't imagine how crowded this place would have been. Nicolette. Paid 400 yen for this ticket. I we're not even sure where or what is up there. I think maybe it is just a better view of the temple maybe. And it's crowded. Very crowded. Ooh. OMG, I wish you guys could see the view through my eyes and not through the camera. No, I'm not going down there. Oh hell no, I'm tired. We've been walking for what? How long now? I don't even know how to get back down. But yeah, so many different stuff and places here. I don't even know which is the main temple, to be honest. I don't know. But so many people. We're coming from over that side. It's food time. We're at Kyoto Station and we're at the food court, so we're gonna find something in here to eat. All of the food that we're seeing are like Japanese style food, but we're hungry, so we just gotta find something on the menu to eat. I ordered this yakitori, and I thought that it was gonna be like 2 or 3 pieces, but they gave me just this single thing. It
You know what 400 yen for that now?
Yes, 400 yen for this thing.
Yeah, but it's sure on this.
Yeah, but I thought that's because it's so expensive. I thought it would have been like 2 sticks or 3 sticks.
4, not even 2. It should have been at least 1 for 1 today.
So I got shrimp in my fried rice. Fried rice with baked something. So I guess Nicolette, you're getting shrimp? Or should I eat it? Because I've been I've been going against things that I don't eat. But you can have one. This is like a Japanese style restaurant. Okay, or what is this?
Oden.
Okay, and oden is eaten in?
Winter.
Okay.
Only in Japan.
Okay.
So I've always used it in like class activities. What is a food that's eaten in winter?
Oden. I've
Yes.
never heard of this before.
Yes, it's my first time eating it.
I hope it tastes good because I'm gonna get some soup. Because the lady carried carried a container for me to try it. So I guess I'm trying it today.
Oden is a food
Just give me
that's
the sauce liquid. I don't want any.
That's eaten in winter.
So like the soup. Yeah. Thank you.
So I can tell them that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Because if it tastes
You
bad, I don't want to waste.
One.
No, I don't want no tofu. This is good enough. Alright, go ahead and taste it. Let me see. Let me taste it as well. It tastes like miso ramen. Not miso ramen, miso soup.
It's good.
Yeah, Japanese version of soup.
Oden.
Yeah, it's good. I like it. I like the soup.
It's very popular. They have different stuff. Don't know what this is, but it's a traditional Japanese thing. And they have boiled egg.
Tofu.
Tofu. What's this? I don't know what it is. But
This is why I've been eating shrimp, I've been eating pork, I've been eating lobster. Because a lot of times when you buy food like these, you don't know what you're eating. So might as well just enjoy life and eat your food. Because, yeah, I know I've been eating. Yeah, I want some more. Only the liquid. Please, onegaishimasu. Yes. Okay. And I'm still struggling with this food. It's hot, so that is why I haven't finished it as yet. Hey guys, okay, so it's Sunday and we are heading to Arashiyama.
I don't know.
Boy, okay, let me get my book. Get my notes.
Guys, she's a planner. I just follow.
Alright, so we're heading to Arashiyama, bamboo, and some other activities. So it's like a place that has a lot of different things. It has a kimono forest, train station. It has Katsura River. It has a famous bridge.
And we're not going to do all of those today, I think.
But all of these are in the same area, so we just do like some of the activities depending on how our body feels and how far apart they are. Yeah. And I'm gonna try and vlog more today because yesterday we weren't vlogging as much because we were taking a lot of pictures. No kimonos. But yeah, alright, so I'm gonna get some breakfast and then we're gonna head there. Okay. Alright, out in these streets. This street is very high-end. Yeah, it has a lot of like what? It has like a
brand shops.
Yeah, brand stuff. And so some places in Kyoto it looks very old, like very ancient. Yeah, and then you just see this street that looks so like high-tech and bougie. Yeah. So it's like a mixture in this prefecture, a mixture of old and new.
It smells.
Yeah, one thing with Kyoto, it smells bad for some reason. We're going to McDonald's to have breakfast. Let's hope that it's open. Yeah. We went to Starbucks yesterday. We're going to McDonald's over there. But yeah, look at the street. I'm gonna try and get some shots of the ancient looking sections of Kyoto so you can see the big difference. Chicken nugget, and I got a filet of fish with orange juice, and they gave me 2 sauce. And Nicolette got big breakfast, which isn't that what it's called?
Yes,
Big breakfast, egg and what you call it, sandwich and some other stuff. And I think she got orange juice as well. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be eating for breakfast. I think it maybe over there, Nijo Castle. I wanna go there. Nijo Castle. It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that a line over there? I have this place on the list of places that I wanna visit. This is the bridge, the famous bridge. Wow, out here it's cold though. It's a video, honey. It's a video. It's a video for YouTube. It's a video. Come down these steps. So many people.
So now you're here.
Yes.
This is the bamboo forest.
Okay.
So we can take you to the bamboo forest, the rickshaw.
Okay.
You can choose time and price. The most shortest 10, 20, 30, 45, 1 hour, 70, 80.
So shortest is 3,000.
No, the one person. The two person price is this.
It's 4,000 for
Yeah.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. They go on the riverside. And
And then they take you to the bamboo place.
from here to here. If you give me 30 minutes, so we can show you like this. And we can take a picture by your phone. So here is here.
So we're going on this thing over there.
And they can take a picture?
Yeah. And I
No.
want you to read this.
Are you expecting no? Do you have illness? No, no, no. Zero,
Okay.
no. Wear a mask? Yes.
Are you
Okay.
Take picture, take off mask, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, pamphlet. 2 person, 4,000 円 pay after, okay?
Okay.
Okay. はい。どうぞ。Where from? Jamaica.
Yes.
Oh, number one.
Number one?
Oh, Jamaica number one. Japan number two. Oh,
Okay.
いいベルト。
Safety belt.
お、え、よし。Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's okay. No problem. About 10 minutes ね。
Yes.
Finish the Romiyashi shrine. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. U ターンします。はい、どうぞ。Let's go. ありがとうございます。 This mountain, ARASHIYAMA.
Arashiyama Mountain.
Beautiful. Okay, sorry.
Ooh.
Oh, take photo there.
Okay.
Bridge. Okay. Photo point. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Five star? Go star?
No problem. No.
You may?
有名。去年できました。
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
What did he say?
I think it's gonna be the year to make it last year.
Did you make it what?
日本に住んでるんですか？
Sundaru.
どこ？
Ah, Kanagawa.
神奈川。
Doi.はい。英語の先
鎌倉
生。
ね。鎌倉。
鎌倉は近い。はい。
横浜ね。舞妓さんに変身。
ああ、OK。
What is that?
マイクさん。
Just a cute onmiyage shop or something.
I think so.
Ooh, right here is how it's so scary. Ooh, we're on the main road, people. We're on the main road. So many people.
Yeah?
Ooh, yung kimono. So many people.
Train station? No, train station, sorry.
London train station.
Okay.
Oh, the temple. Tenru.
Oh, Coco?
Very big temple.
Famous?
Temple.
So Genchi.
How much?
700 years old.
Okay.
Rakuma, okay.
Unagi eel. So many people up there.
We are in Kyoto, Japan.
Ooh, right here is
Okay. Oh, Snoopy chocolate.
ooh, right here is very narrow. It's very crowded. We probably wouldn't have turned down here. Wow, we're in the bamboo forest. I can see it from here. I don't know if you guys can see.
Okay.
Yay, we're here. Everywhere in Kyoto is crowded. All the tourist spots. Oh, they said do not enter. Nice. We got to enter where they said do not enter. Ooh. No? Okay, so no one.
No problem. One second. What the? Another. See this, ne?
Ooh, at least we get this perk. We can take a picture without anybody being in it. This is so perfect.
Take photo.
Yes, thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Photo.
Okay. We got some really nice pictures, guys. I'm gonna insert them right here, like he edited them for us. So they're so nice.
Shika.
What is Shika?
I don't know, but Shika. In this forest? Okay.
Okay. So there are monkeys and other animals in this place at night. Wow. Okay. Pretty cool. Ooh.
Shrine.
Oh, okay.
Finish point, okay?
Yes.
Oh, we're going to that shrine. Finish point. Oh, this is like geisha thing with their white face. Somebody was telling me about it. Ooh, so this is the end point. Ooh.
Man, woman, love,
Oh, love.
baby, study, money.
Oh,
yeah.
I wonder where do the monkeys go at during the daytime?
Finish point.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
ありがとうございました。
Thank you very much.
Kyoto is thank you. Okini.
Okini.
Okini, it's okay? Just a moment.
Okay. Temple. I guess we're heading in this direction. I think I want to try this chicken thing. I'm getting this chicken. So I got chicken. This is a whole bunch of chicken though, but I spent 500 yen for this. And Nicolette got ice cream. Is what was that? Vanilla with tofu?
It's actually tofu and mango.
Oh, tofu is the white part.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah. It's just a tofu ice cream.
I've never tried it before.
This is my first time.
Okay. I got this strawberry smoothie, and Nicolette got Sprite.
That's the taxi.
I mixed it. Oh, we could have stopped right there.
What?
But we wouldn't know. There's a clown playing something and bubbles blowing and all of that. Yeah, there are kimono rental everywhere. Let me wipe up my screen. Yeah, much better. Alright guys, so we're in a taxi and we're heading to Kinkakuji, which is a famous temple here. So we just had food, like street food. So we're heading to the temple right now, which is another temple that's on our list. and it's about 30 minutes away by car. So it's far. Yeah, because this is western Kyoto and we're going to eastern Kyoto. So I guess that's why it's so the distance
It's
is so
close
much.
to our side.
I have no idea. I don't even know what side we are at. But we're near. Where's Kyoto Station? It's Kyoto Station is close by. You have to go up to
Kyoto Station is not close to here.
I mean, close to our house.
Yes.
Was a hotel, so I don't know. I'm not good at coordinates, but yeah. Alright.
何分ぐらい？
京都ステーション
はい。
You're speaking our Japanese.
30分から40分。
ああ、OK。30から4。OK。
So,
今、金閣寺行きます。
what did he say? Is it what?
From here to Kyoto Station is 30 minutes, 40 minutes.
Okay.
So maybe where we're going is close to us.
Oh. Can you ask him what you're called?
すみません、あそこお名前何？
ここ
はい。
名前ネ
はい
ーム
Name？
これ広沢の池。
広沢の池。
広沢
広沢
の池。
の池。OK。
This is nice. Hirasawa no Ike. Name of the pond or lake. Kyoto is very beautiful. But I was expecting it to be like I wanted the leaves to look even better. Like more golden. Of course, this looks like a star. Yeah, but it looks like a star. Does it not look like a star, guys? Up in the mountain. Like, Kyoto is so mountainous. Like, everywhere that we go, we have to go, like, near to the mountain or something like that. Anyways, we're gonna find this Kinkakuji Temple place. Look how pretty right here is. Wow. No, this is the real autumn. This is it. Yeah, right here. Look, this is what I came to Kyoto for in autumn. For this beautifulness. If that's the word. Kinkakuji. Ooh, right here is Hawaii. Ooh, there's a line. There's a line, girl. So the line is long. We're gonna have to pay to get in. But in the meanwhile, we're enjoying the view of this tree.
So dark.
So it's 400 yen to get in for adults. Kinkakuji. This is real gold? Wow. Nope. I don't know. Okay, this is so beautiful. This place. But I take no video, so I can't record much in here. So we are back to where we were earlier. So I'm ready to leave this place. But it's beautiful though. But like, they aren't like, yeah, like I'm tired of it now. Time to leave. Time to go to the next temple maybe. Guys, so we're at another temple. This is called Ginkakuji. Nicholas said Kinkakuji means silver, right? The Kinkakuji is gold and Ginkakuji is silver. So I guess we're gonna see a silver temple now. We're gonna go up this path and maybe we got a place to go in again. But let's see. So this place is 500 yen to get in. I guess this is it. I'm disappointed. I was expecting something silver.
I'm sorry, because it's a gold?
Yes. So you said ging is mean silver. But it is what it is. What I want to know is why is this place more expensive than the other one and it's just the regular temple looking place. The landscape looks nice. I just realized that we can go up top because there are people up there. Please do not touch. We're gonna try and go up top. So many signs though. Okay, we're not going into the hallway. Okay, look at this. The camera is not doing this thing justice. Like, the place is very beautiful. Oh, you know that I think we paid for this, the landscape and not for the temple, because the other place, the temple, looked so much better. I'm out of breath. Whew. Wow.
Pretty here.
Yeah, look at, wow.
Lighting.
So Nicolette bus. Yeah, so the landscape looks really nice. The temple is just a little thing, but look at the light, the view. This is like a lookout point. Wow. That's where we're coming from. With the sand. It's a video. What is What is that sauce?
Okay.
What is that?
Sauce.
Like sweet sauce, or this is called dango?
Soy sauce.
Okay. Okay, dango. Alright, so I'm gonna get dango.
Can we try?
But no sauce.
No sauce.
Yeah.
No sauce, maybe not
Simple,
taste.
no,
No taste?
yes.
Okay.
Aji, nice.
Nice.
Ah.
Alright, okay, so it's sauce. The dango. Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ooh, this is called dango. Is it extra hot? Let's try. But we saw dango, thank you, at the other place that we had the chicken, and it was bigger than this. I'll taste molasses for real. Do you like it?
Without the sauce, it would taste really good.
Do you like it though? I guess that if there wasn't any sauce, I would prefer it like that.
No, it wouldn't have any taste.
Yeah, but the guy was eating it without a sauce. I guess they bake it if it was only white thing that was there. So that's why I didn't want it with any sauce. But it's fine. Let me see.
You said without it, aji than nice.
But no taste.
Yeah.
I don't fancy it.
It's just because it's done on kids always try it. So when you go, you have the experience. That's it.
Hey y'all, Nicolette but is in the camera. Okay. Alright, so we made it back to the hotel. I'm gonna show you guys two. Alright guys, so we made it back to the hotel. We were supposed to get some food, but we haven't found any restaurant that we want to eat at. So maybe we're gonna, like later on, we're gonna head back down and go to this ramen shop. Anyways, we bought we bought two umbrellas. I got the blue one and Nicolette got the red one. So I'm gonna just, oops.
Pink.
Yeah, pink and blue. So these are very cute. So I decided to get one because I guess this would be like a Kyoto souvenir for myself. But it was expensive, like 1,500 yen. When we were younger, we were told not to open umbrellas indoors. Have you heard that?
Yes.
But I don't
Because what's the reason?
You won't get married.
Yeah.
But I know I will get married, so I don't care.
Okay.
And I've done it many times. Like when my umbrella is wet and I want to let it dry, I open it out in my game con. What the hell? What's going on? Okay. But it's small though, but it's fine because I'm not gonna really use it. It's mainly for just to remember being in Japan, being in Kyoto especially. Yeah, and it has this thing on it, this design, which is the same as this thing. But anyways, later I'll vlog my food that I'll eat. Alright guys, see you tomorrow.